All right, let's talk about some blockchain technology. I'm gonna list three ticker symbols. Hashtag RIOT, Riot Blockchain. I have them in my blog on invest.stocksforbrokefolks.com. And they're a company that's a little shaky. They were a biopharmaceutical company, and they haven't yet to close the doors down. This happened sometime in January, around January 14th, and they're in debt. They got a lot of debt coming in from their bio company, and all this will come to an end, but all the debt will still inquire. And will be a bad news story that anyone that's followed stocks know bad news can make a price go whoa, and it can just fall. So therefore, I'm staying away from Riot. I got in on a day trade. I held them overnight. I made a nice percentage off of Riot, and I'm happy walking away from them with profit, being able to say that I was in them, profited, and they're great. No complaints. Next, Mara, MARA, the Marathon Patent Group. They own 500 plus patents. Again, another one that my blog and screener pulled up, and I currently am in. I have 15 shares. I'm up 20 some percent. Hopefully, it keeps going. They got in on mining bitcoins. They didn't necessarily start it up. They bought the company. They also are doing research and development for not only cryptocurrency but blockchain technology, and looks like a promising blockchain company. So I will try to hold this as a longer swing trade, possibly even into a long-term stock if I can continue gains. And thirdly, I'd like to talk a little bit about Grow. I did them in my blog. I actually sold them for a little bit of a loss, I believe, on a stop loss. Price dipped down underneath the support level and sold off with no worries of the price plummeting, which is my style and what I was comfortable doing, and still am comfortable saying I took loss in that. What I see is they own a pretty good stake in a new cryptocurrency that's come out called Hive, and there's 600 some plus types of cryptocurrencies out currently, and it's risky to get into a new cryptocurrency. I like risk, and I'm planning on putting aside maybe 5 to 15% of my total Robinhood portfolio on Grow Monday if I see the volume is there Monday morning. If free market volume is pushing the price up, I'm definitely getting it. I will set stop losses and know that resistance is nowhere in sight, neither is support. Price can plummet as quick as it goes up, and this happens after hours. In a bad spot, so limiting to small percentage of my portfolio makes my high risk factor less risky when it comes to investing in this company. As far as all blockchain goes, I do have a small stake in Overstock.com. I have a small stake in SQ, and both of them have, within the last month to month and a half, going up because of blockchain technology. And their 1 year charts and 3 month charts are phenomenal. It's one of them companies that I feel strong that it could go past a swing trade and into a long hold position. Currently, most of my portfolio is in blockchain sector of some sort, and I will start to pick less blockchain technology companies as my screener spits them out. But when there's a momentum stock going, I want to get in on the momentum, and I want to catch that momentum, and I don't want to get in at the top and fall. So I won't continue to invest in the companies I already have the small stakes in, and I'm up at this point. I cut them off, and I'll take the profits from them, and I'm moving on to other stocks I only have so much in my portfolio to spread around for swing trading. So right now my focus is swing trading, and a swing trade is a 2-day to a 2-week trade, and that's what I'm going after is 15% profit, 14% profit in 2 weeks. If I can get that in 2 days with these blockchain technology companies, you're almost a fool not to get in on them if you have day trades available and you can cut some of the risk out. But for those that are long-term investors, stay away from them. If you haven't got into any type of blockchain technology yet because of risk or whatever reason you stayed away, stay away. Let the people that are in the high risk make it. You watch and you make your percentage on what you're comfortable making and what you're comfortable placing. Don't lose money because you're watching other people make money. And that's my food for thought of the day. Thank you very much.